Yo, what's up, beautiful people? It's a girl Angela, and I want today I'll be showing you how to achieve this simple look. As you can see, I've got no lashes on and it looks so simple. No filter used, no editing, just real me. Welcome to my new subscribers. If you're a new subscriber here, you feel at home, feel very welcomed, feel to ask any question. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, don't forget to follow me on all my social media at Angela Zakwa. And without wasting any time, let's begin. So guys, I'll be starting with my eyebrows. I'll be taking a poly brush my eyebrows. After that, I'll be taking my black eye pencil and start drawing a very thin line starting from the downside, then I'll be going to the upper side starting from the middle of my eyebrow, taking all down to the tail. After that, I'll be filling in with some strokes, then fill in the rest of the eyebrows so lightly. Don't press the eye pencil with force, just do it lightly. I saw a pimple, so I had to pop it. Then I'll be continuing with my eyebrows. I'll be taking my concealer. This is a palette of concealer. It contains all types of concealer. I mean shades, from the darkest to the light one. So I had to choose. Today I wanted to try a very bright color, a very bright concealer. I'll be cleaning my eyebrows. Make sure you're so careful, guys. Clean. After that, I'll be filling in my eyelids with the same concealer. Fill. After that, I'll be taking a beauty blender. Make sure it is wet. Then start blending under your eyes. So this concealer of mine is so creamy, and for me, it went well with my face. Just doing my thing. After that, I'll be taking a powder and a fluffy brush, applying it. For me, I like applying my powder first before putting in my eyeshadow. It looks so nice. Then I'll be taking this palette. It's a new palette. As you can see, it has all colors. So today I'll be going with nude, those that I'm pointing. Meow. I really can't remember the shade, but one is the darker, a very dark brown. The other one is light brown, and the shimmer is like brownish. So today I had to try brown. I've never done a brown eyeshadow with the brown shimmer. So today I decided to do it. Just blend. Then I'll be applying the shimmer. Then I saw that Okay, it's nice, but I want it to pop, so I added another shimmer on top of it. I used my finger to apply the shimmer, so I added that one. It's like a glitter, something like that, and I liked it. Whoa, just love that. Continue to blend. After that, I'll be applying my primer from Karite. I really love this primer because for me, I see that it softens my skin. Apply it pressing on your skin. Then I'll be going in with my foundation, Collagen. Take your foundation brush, spread the foundation all over your face. And make sure that you don't apply the foundation under your eyes, because you don't want your under eyes to look like more bright, more bright and more cakey. So don't apply. Continue to blend. After spreading it, I'll be going in with the beauty blender. Don't forget to drag your foundation into your neck. Take your beauty blender, blend until it gives a smooth look. So because I didn't shape my upper side, I'm going to fill in or to shape it with the foundation. Just shaping it with the foundation. Blend. So that, continue blending. Make sure you don't see harsh lines. Blend it very well. Just blend on your neck. And also on your hairlines, so that it can't look like a mask. Then I'll be taking my concealer, apply now under my eyes. As I said, it's so creamy. I really love it. Continue applying. Then I'll be going in with my blender, start blending. Blend. Continue blending. Make sure there are no harsh lines. I'll be going in with my powder. So here, don't bake. Just take your powder, and put in your blender, then blow out the excess one and then press it on your face. And don't brag, just press the areas that you applied your concealer. Continue applying. As you can see, there are no harsh lines. So applying on my jawline. Then after applying the lighter powder, I'll be going in with the darker powder from Micolor. It's almost my color, not that dark. Contour your face, your forehead, your cheeks, nose. And this is how I contour my nose. It's your smile for me when you wake up in the morning, mpenzi wangu. You touch me slowly, nacheka mwenzia. You keep me falling, mpenzi wangu. Na kwenye giza. Then I'll be removing the excess powder. You know, say I love you too much, oh. After that, I'll be applying my blush, my powder blush. Ayaruhi, habibi. Remove the excess powder. Ayaruhi, habibi. Baby, kwa penzi lako, nagara me. Then be taking my setting spray, set my makeup. I'm going in with my mascara. Today no eyelashes. For your lover, for your love, for your love. Nimemshinda shetani baby, tumewashinda mahasidi, tumewashinda wahayawani. Hala kitanda kiwe sani mpenzi, nikule nikufaidi. I love bongo. Hala then I'll be taking my eye pencil. Now here I'll be using it like my lip liner. I'll be applying first my highlighter before I go in with my eye pencil. Bless my baby, oh. Bless my one and only, furaha yangu nilindi. Continue filling in. Can we be Ayaruhi? Habibi, hey, I love you. Then I'll be cleaning up my lips with using my foundation. Don't forget. Nagara gara, nagara gara me, nagara gara. Yeah, nagara gara me, nagara gara. For your love, for your love, for your love. Continue to clean. Then I'll be going in with my lipstick, my dark purple. Is it dark purple, guys? From Charm. Then I'll be now highlighting my face, on my cheeks, on my nose, on my forehead.